Hello children, welcome back. In our last video, we learned concepts of number systems. Today we are going to solve some basic questions with the help of key tricks. Questions. So as you can see on my screen, there are 7 questions that we are going to practice today. First question. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. A very quick way to solve this, just write two numbers 2 and 3. Write 2 like 2 by 1. Similarly 3 by 1. For 2 by 1, because we need to identify 5 rational numbers, we will multiply it with 5 plus 1 6 by 6, which will give you the value 12 by 6. Similarly, we multiply 3 by 1 with 5 plus 1 6 by 6, which will give you value 18 by 6. Now we need to find 5 rational numbers, right? So in between 12 by 6 and 18 by 6, you get 5 rational numbers like 13 by 6, 14 by 6, 15 by 6, 16 by 6 and 17 by 6. Here are your 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Let's solve our next question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We apply the same trick. We write 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 like this. Then we will multiply with 6 rational number, that means 6 plus 1 7 divided by 7. Same with 4 by 5, 7 by 7. It becomes 21 divided by 35. It becomes 28 divided by 35. So now 6 rational number between 21 divided by 35 and 28 divided by 35 are 22 by 35, 23 by 35, 24 by 35, 25 by 35, 26 by 35 and 27 by 35. So here are your 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. The next question is, add 4 under root 2 plus 7 under root 3 and under root 2 minus 5 under root 3. We will write it like this: 4 under root 2 plus 7 under root 3 plus under root 2 minus 5 under root 3. 4 under root 2, and then we keep this root 2 here, then 7 root 3 and minus 5 root 3. 4 plus 1, we add the coefficients, it becomes 5 under the root 2. Now here it's plus 7 and here it's minus 5, so at the end you will get plus 2 under the root 3. So here is your answer. Addition of 4 under the root 2 plus 7 under the root 3 and the second number under the root 2 minus 5 under the root 3 is equivalent to 5 under the root 2 plus 2 under root 3. Now next multiply with these two numbers. Under the root 3 plus under the root 7. Let's multiply this with under the root 3 minus under the root 7. Though we know the direct formula, a plus b multiply with a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. If you use this formula, you will directly get here a is your under the root 3 and b is your under the root 7. So if you go with this formula, you will get under the root 3 to the square minus under the root 7 square, which is equal to under the root 3 square is 3 minus under the root 7 square is 7. Now you will get, because 3 is a smaller number, 3 minus 7 is equal to minus 4. Now our fifth question is 7 by 9 is greater than 4 by 5. So as you know the formula, if a by b is greater than c by d, that means multiplication of ad should be greater than multiplication of b and c. We apply this formula here. Now this becomes 7 into 5 is greater than 9 into 4. Here it becomes 35 is greater than 36. As we can clearly see, this is not true. 35 cannot be greater than 36. Hence, 7 by 9 is not greater than 4 by 5. Similarly, if we see is minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 4 by 5. Again, we apply the same formula, minus 2 multiply with 5 is greater than 3 multiply with minus 4. It comes minus 10 is greater than minus 12. Now we can clearly see minus 10 is greater than minus 12. Hence, minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 4 by 5. Now our last question of today's problem solving session is first 7 to the power 2 by 3 multiply with 7 to the power 1 by 5. As we know the formula, if a to the power 1 by n multiply with a to the power 1 by m, and this is equal to a to the power 1 by n plus 1 by m. We apply this formula here, it becomes 7 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Come out 15, 10 plus 3. So is equal to 7 to the power 13 by 15. Similarly, if we solve this equation, 10 to the power 1 by 2 divided by 10 to the power 1 by 4. We can write it like 10 to the power 1 by 2 multiply with 10 to the power minus 1 by 4, which is equivalent to 10 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to 10 to the power 4, 2 minus 1. That is equal to 10 to the power 1 by 4. Hope you'll be able to understand the concepts, as well as by applying those concepts you are able to solve our queries. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel or register at gleanonline.com, or you can also write us at support@gleanonline.com.